Alrighty, so I am not doing any sort of fancy smancy intro or anything, or really any sort of funny stuff. Instead, we're just gonna hop straight into the topic of this video, which is installing Chrome OS on a netbook. So, first thing that we need to do is make the USB drive. So let's get the flash drive inserted. That's detected now. Let's select this. It just needs to be okay, grab that. And then just click start. And it'll wipe the USB flash drive and get the Chrome OS installer ready on it. And then yeah, I'll be able to install Chrome OS on this old netbook. And I did try, I was originally planning on installing Chrome and just running a few browser-based benchmarks, but given how this laptop can't even play 1080p footage on YouTube, I decided, you know what, let's just forget about benchmarking. We already know how slow it is from the previous video, and let's just get straight into this. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna pause the recording here and I'll jump cut to when it's done making the flash drive. Alright, so about 10 minutes and 45 seconds later, it's finally done. So let's close this, restart, and hopefully we can boot into the Cloud Ready installer, because yeah, I'm using Cloud Ready, which is just a version of Chrome OS. Did I hit the escape? No, I didn't hit the escape key fast enough. Okay. Well, at least since this laptop has an SSD, it's pretty fast to start up, so just gonna restart again, I guess. Come on. Yes, I know that's expired, Microsoft. This is the reason why I'm doing this. Yes, thank you, Windows 7 startup sound. It's plenty nostalgic. Restart. Okay. Hitting escape. There we go. Okay, F9 for boot device options. And select the flash drive. It's kind of fitting how I'm using an HP branded flash drive on an HP branded netbook. And hey, it booted. Okay, and now we just wait for things to load in. Don't mind that I have YouTube open in the background. It was literally just a one-off video that I decided to record out of the blue. But yeah, I just feel like netbooks are far more suited to being Chromebooks, like, you know, their modern day equivalents tend to be. Okay. Almost done. Almost there. Come on, finish booting. I can definitely say that booting off the flash drive is far slower than booting off a solid state drive. Oh, some sort of started sound. There we go. Okay, let's hit let's go. Let's go. Are we gonna go? Oh, it froze. I may have cut the video before I actually finished saying that I was gonna cut the video. Oops. No, don't send my information to Google. They already know plenty enough about me. Says please wait. I'm waiting. More signing. Okay, time to pause the video again. I will be back in a moment. Okay, I am now signed in. Now I just gotta wait. Again. Oh, I got a notification on my phone from signing in. Ooh, the loading spinny thing is lagging. Oh, okay. Looked away for a moment and it's ready. Okay. Get started. If I remember correctly, there should be an option now to... Yep, there it is. Install OS. Okay. Okay. Let me install. Close this. Trackpad doesn't seem all too accurate in Chrome OS. Then again, it wasn't all that accurate in Windows either, so whatever. Alright, waiting for the installer to show up. Come on. Come on. I'm not looking for a plain white screen, I want an installer. Close and reopen, maybe? Ah, there we go. Install Cloud Ready. Erase hard drive. And I guess I'll just cut again. Because, yeah, it says right there, installation should take no longer than 20 minutes. And based on the hardware of this thing, I'm sure that's going to take at least close to 20 minutes. So, yeah, once again, I'll see you later. So, quick update, it just turned itself off and it didn't turn itself back on, so I'm just gonna turn it on and see what happens. I'd be interested to see if it really did finish installing or if it just randomly shut down. Hey, it is! Okay, it's booting off the SSD. Alright. So, let's wait for that to finish loading. Still taking a surprisingly long time, given how it's booting off a solid state disk or drive. Come on. And I guess just to prove that it's not running off the flash drive anymore, the activity light is not blinking on the stick. Okay, and it looks like we're going to be going through setup all over again, so I'm just going to jump cut to after it's done. Okay, and here it is, our fully Chromebooked netbook. It's still got the little Wi-Fi dongle sticking out the side because I don't have the Wi-Fi card in the mini PCIe slot, but here's the flash drive. It's not running off of that anymore. It's completely running on its own now. Close this. So let's open up Chrome and take a look at YouTube. Whoa, it's using Bing search? That's interesting. Why does Cloud Ready use Bing when it's owned by Google? Like, real quick. Let me just search it up real quick on my main computer behind here, but while it's loading, yeah, it says right here on Neverware's website, Neverware is part of Google, and Neverware makes Cloud Ready. Why is the default search engine in Cloud Ready Bing? Well, that's a interesting quirk, I guess. Anyway, let's search up my name. Whoops, I typed in name instead of techie. And yeah, clearly, even with Chrome OS installed, it's still far, far slower than what any sort of computer should ideally be. And yeah, that's just kind of a testament to how terrible these early Intel Atom chips were. Anyway, here's my channel. I guess we can take a look at... Let's see. Let's take a look at my previous netbook video. And let's see if it can play in 1080p without lagging. Which I highly doubt. But hey, you never know. Go away. Oh, and the screen brightness controls also work, which is nice. Look at that. I'm just pressing the brightness control keys here. And I'm pretty sure the same thing goes for volume too. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of stuff just works out of the box, which is very nice considering how it's a whole different OS. And then let's try switching. Oh, it's playing already.
Seen them before.
Defaulted to 360p. That's not a good. That's not a good. That is not a good sign. There we go. Oh boy. No matter how many videos I make, I still cannot speak. Oh, it's 144p now. Okay. Time for the real test. 1080p. Okay. Just wait for it to buffer. Come on. It's gonna be a train wreck, isn't it? Maybe 1080 is too much. Let's drop it down to 720 and see if that helps. Okay, 720 time. Will it work? Is it gonna work? I don't think it's working. I really don't think it's working. Oh, well. Let's try... Oh. After I reload the page, it starts playing. I click wait instead. Come on. Whoops. Did not mean to mute. Hey.
Look. Point is, they were underpowered then, and...
You know, this is a very fitting spot for the video to start playing from. Because, yeah, as I was just about to say there before the page reloaded, holy crap are they slow now. I guess we can try something lighter than YouTube then. Let's just visit my site. Because clearly YouTube is too much, even under Chrome OS. In fact, I think that it might actually be worse under Chrome OS as far as lag goes. I don't know. Let's see. Because for a cloud platform, Chrome OS has definitely gotten a lot more complex over the years. As far as the smoothness of the transitions, it's about the same as Windows 7. I really don't have any other way that I can show things off, to be honest. It's basically just YouTube, my website. And I guess let's just take a look at some general system things, which there is absolutely nothing of. I mean, there's the web store and stuff, but hey, let's check out the webcam. Hey, it's the webcam. Hi. Look at my hair. Never changed it. Well, webcam works. So, yeah, I guess that's it for this video. It's definitely been far jankier as far as as far as videos go, because one, I'm not really doing any prior planning to begin with, and second, it's overall just been a train wreck. Like, this netbook is just not really useful for anything anymore. And yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching.